Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into Gmail on the device you'll update. Use your primary account and stay signed in. Once signed in, quickly export or forward any critical threads so you don't lose data. Use Google Takeout for large backups. Next, make sure your device OS and Gmail app are current. Update the app in the Play or App Store if it's out of date. This prevents compatibility issues and sets you up for the configuration steps that follow. Once done with backups and app updates, dive into Gmail settings on desktop. Go to see all settings to adjust forwarding, pop/amap, and filters. This controls how mail moves between devices. Make changes to your signature and vacation responder so outgoing mail reflects current info, and choose an inbox type that matches your workflow. Then, make sure your account security is solid. Change your password when needed, enable two-step verification, and review third-party app access to prevent unauthorized connections. To finish, force a full sync on mobile. Open Gmail, go to Settings, choose your account, and sync. Send test messages from another account and confirm delivery, labels, and forwarding are working. If messages aren't syncing or changes don't appear, clear the app or browser cache and try again. Sign out and sign back in, or remove and re-add the account as a last resort. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most update hiccups. If it doesn't, revisit security and connection settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.